Hi Durga, congratulations for your appearing in the technical room.
Thank you.
First of all, what you have gained before workshop?
Before coming to this workshop, I don't have basic knowledge on software field, but after attending these classes, I gained so much knowledge about IT sector and how they will work and what are the roles they will be. And
How you are feeling after the workshop?
I'm feeling very happy for gaining this knowledge. From this, I have confidence to attend any interviews. And thank you for Naveen sir for providing us this workshop.
Could you please explain which type of knowledge are you gained from the workshop?
Like what are the applications and what are the environments in software and what are the life cycle of software development life cycle and agile methodology. All these things.
Could you please share your experience with audience and your friends?
From this workshop, we can gain so much knowledge. So, please you can also attend this workshop.